place where I can stay. I was
Good job,
born and
cats.
raised in San Jose. I'm going back to find some peace of mind in San Jose. Fame and fortune is a
Richard's
magnet.
already checked out the
It can pull you
plants,
far away
but Harriet's
from
checking them out now.
home. With a dream in your heart, you're never alone.
Oh, she's coming.
Dreams turn into dust and blow away, and there you are without a friend. You pack your car and ride away. I've got lots of friends in San Jose.
We might walk by the pool on the end of this walk
Know the way to San
and go to the hot
Jose.
tub. Oh, this song was requested, by the way. I gotta catch up on a couple of song requests. This is one of them. Do you know the way to San Jose? That's Harriet's hometown. That's where Richard and I live.
Big freeway, put 100 down and buy a car.
We're all in San Jose, California. That's where my work is. I work in San Jose. It's a pretty nice town. It's just a little crowded, but it's beautiful weather most of the year. I'm really enjoying the warm weather.